Hell's sad because no one's waving back.
Oh, wow, they're a bunch of Debbie Downers in this channel. 22 years in the Navy of waving at everyone from frigates and tankers and everything else, and my own patrol boat definitely. And here we are in here and no one will wave at me. Join us for a big day exploring the Ionian. We depart Nydri early and motor all the way up the channel past the charter boats to visit Lefkada. We then retrace our steps south and have a great sail towards Patra. We anchor late in the evening in preparation for another really early start the next day.
After a perfect night's sleep last night with super calm conditions, we are leaving Nydri and heading up to Lefkada. It's only about 8 miles. A lot of that's inside quite a narrow channel, and there's a northerly wind, so we won't be sailing. We're just going to motor, so it'll take us about 2 hours or so to get up there. We're heading up to Lefkada because we have an electrician that is coming this afternoon to have a look at the boat and do a bit of a consult on getting a lithium battery installed. So very exciting. Does mean sometimes you break things, and we just broke things. So to hold our anchor, we've got a little brake on the deck. There's a pin that goes through that brake to hold it in. Unfortunately, the pin is tied to a line, and that line came undone today, and the pin has gone straight to the bottom. So that one there. And we've got a makeshift pin in at the moment using one of our stainless steel bolts. We're also going to tie it off as well, so we've got a couple of safeties in place, but there's not too much weight on the anchor when it's up. It's when it's down we have to be a little bit more careful. What happened?
I'm really annoyed about that. The knot came undone that holds our deck lock pin in place, and it just, I couldn't catch it, went over the side.
And we absolutely love our new solar panels. Check them out. Woo. Look at that. Look how pretty this place is. And of course, knowing our luck, the wind is directly against us, so it's slowing us down a bit. And also, it will be the perfect sailing day to head down towards Athens, where we're picking up our next guest. It's washing day today. And you know it's washing day because Al is pretty much out of boat t-shirts. He's only got his nice t-shirts left, which we try not to wear on the boat. And I'm wearing a white t-shirt, which is very, very impractical for a boat. He doesn't wear any t-shirt.
Laundry day!
It's very early in the morning. It's not the height of summer, and our batteries are full very easily. We've got everything running. We've got washing machines running. We've got all of our nav systems, autopilot, Starlink, everything. I'm loving this new solar. Now we just need the batteries that can take advantage of it, because our batteries are so dead that the actual usable amount of the batteries is really, really small. So there's some serious racing going on here. The local sailing club's got a dinghy race, so we're just making sure we stay well clear of them, give them plenty of room. 2.5 miles south of Lefkada now, and it's a channel the whole way up, so we're just following through now. A couple of boats coming out, keeping between the port and starboard markers. Should be safe. We have the forward sonar on as a bit of a backup, and 2 nav systems going.
Kel doesn't trust George through this narrow channel. I thought he was doing alright. We're starting to see Lefkada, all the yachts just in the background there. This is an amazing channel. The charterers have picked up their yachts this morning and they're all sailing out in a big line. Oh, I think this ferry realised it was being a bit cheeky then. Jeez.
Hell's sad because no one's waving back.
Oh wow, there are a bunch of Debbie Downers in this channel.
Chief Wave Officer here likes to always Give a wave to the friendly boaters. The catamaran waved.
22 years.
None of the charter boats waved though.
22 years in the Navy of waving at everyone from frigates and tankers and everything else, and my own patrol boat definitely. And here we are in here and no one will wave at me.
Al's just getting the fenders out. We're not totally sure where we're going to go. There's a town quay, but the reviews of it are not great. But we have to go alongside somewhere for the electrician, so we'll find something. There's a few pontoons here that's run by the town council, and you can't go there on the weekends because of the charter boats, but I think we should be right down on Monday, so we'll just have to go in, drive in, have a look around, and then decide what to do.
In the after stairwell entrance.
We've picked our spot. There's lazy lines here, which means there's a line already laid for us to put onto our bow. We've never used them before, so this will be a bit of a first for us. We've talked about it, we're ready, fenders are out, let's give it a crack. We want to look at the weather first. We did it, not without a few moments of, I'm not sure we got this right, but we got there. We're a few minutes off where I wanted to go right next to him, but not too bad. There is a bit of a beam wind, so it blows you down really fast. So, lazy lines. Oh my god, how dirty are they? Look at the deck. My poor beautiful white deck. Okay, so lazy line here and a lazy line there. And the lazy lines are basically lines that are attached to the wharf, and out here somewhere will be like a big concrete boulder that they're attached to as well underneath. And they just lie on the bottom of the water here. And you pick them up with a boat hook from the wharf and you run them up to your forward cleat. So instead of having to anchor and medmoor, you basically use lazy lines to medmoor in a different way. We're madly trying to get rid of all that dirt before it dries. It's everywhere.
Kel just did a pro departure from the Sail Ionian pontoon in Lefkada. We are now joining the exodus of yachts that we just filmed coming in.
Seen that boat somewhere? There's a bit of wind, so we're putting the sail up while we're coming down this channel. We can't sail, we still need a motor sail, but yeah. So not so good for visibility, good for speed. Hopefully it'll give us another half to maybe 1 knot. We'll see, but we'll keep the motor on just so we can keep nice and safe through here. Here's the other side now. It's really in my vision. Okay, I was only in Lefkada town for about 20 minutes before the electricians came and I had to run back. But it's got a vibe, like a real vibe. I think I want to go there again. We've got a few visitors coming in the next few weeks, and I think at least some of our visitors will get to see Lefkada because I want to go back and explore. Got about 11 or 12 knots, so we're going to put the mainsail up as well and see how fast we can get going. The wind is generally from astern, which is not ideal, but it's nice to have this sort of wind in these nice, beautiful bays.
Also fishing with the new reel, or sorry, the refurbed reel, and it seems to be going well, which is good because I now have to take apart the other one. Funny, they both failed at the same time.
Sails are up and we're cruising along. There's not much wind, but we're making 5.5 or 6 knots, which is good. Oh, Al, maybe come right a bit. Yeah, that wind's turning, hey?
Yeah. Getting good at this, having to pull apart the other Okuma lever drag we have, just to try and find out why the lever's a bit sticky.
And hopefully we'll get some fish. We're not going too far, so it should be okay for fishing. And this wind should definitely help our washing dry today. 9 miles to go to our preferred anchorage. Hopefully we don't have to cut it away early. It'll be right on sunset or a little bit after. Wind does some weird things around these islands though, so you gotta keep an eye out for it. And it's a bit hard to predict how fast you're gonna be able to go. But it is beautiful out here in the Ionian Islands. Al is in there cooking dinner. I think it's fish tonight, but I'll check.
The last of our mahi-mahi is on the menu. It's very sad, but tasty. No comments on my knife skills, please. I don't have any. Greek salad and grilled mahi mahi. That is a dinner for champions. We are getting to a very fishy time in the evening, so I'm keeping an eye on the rod closely. Unfortunately, we're using not our favourite lure, because our favourite lure is sitting in the mouth of some giant Atlantic bonito slowly rotting away. A watched rod never catches fish, unless you're a fly fisherman, in which case you should definitely be watching the tip of your rod, but really your flies.
We're going to be in a little bit after sunset, which is not too bad. We've got all the equipment to keep ourselves safe, but we are witnessing a beautiful sunset out here. We should be there in about half an hour. Just going around that corner there, just trying to sneak around that corner to a nice little protected anchorage.
What a beautiful sunset. Wind's just picked up. Good in that we're going a little bit faster, but bad in that we're now going to have to pull the sails down and 20 knots of wind, but
Sails are in, sun's down, we've got about 15 minutes to run to our anchorage and the moon is out. It's quite a lovely night. The wind had picked up and the swell has picked up, so we decided to cool the sails in now while we could still see quite well.
beautiful.
The other problem we have is that our navigation lights, while working, the starboard one has got multiple bulbs and one of the bulbs has gone out the other day and we haven't been able to find a replacement. We were in the channel yesterday and they don't sell replacement bulbs, so we've ordered some to come over with the friends that are coming soon. But right now we have a degraded starboard nav light. So it's still there, it's just one of the bulbs is gone, so we just have to be super careful at night. Definitely one of the prettiest sunsets we have seen. It really is gorgeous. Get a bit lumpy though, so pretty keen to get in, get anchored, and get to bed.
Gorgeous sunset this evening. Gorgeous wife as well.
Moon's out. Couple of what looks like tankers. Alright. Safe and sound, we seem to be holding in about 9 meters of water. So good day, very successful day. Good day today. We came all the way from here up into Lefkada to get the electrician, and then we sailed all the way down to here, where we're anchoring for the night. I wonder if solar panel banks are like children. You might have 3, but you always have a favourite one. Is that how it works? I don't have kids. I'm sure I'm not my parents' favourite.
Karen would disagree. I'm not my parents' favourite.
I've got the favourite. I didn't produce grandkids. My sister's the favourite because she produced grandkids. What's that?
I'm my parents' favourite, I didn't.
Yeah, Al's the favourite in his family. The little boy is always the favourite, I think.